My friend Spinny and I put the post in the ground as well as put in those rafters, but he had some issues, couldn't come in, and so getting up there to put the lathing on was kind of hard. We drove the tractor and I did some of it, but we found it was easier if I drove the tractor and he screwed it in. So basically I measured and cut and then got it all started, and then he came back and finished. It was a lot safer me driving than him. So how'd you feel about being up on the roof, buddy?
It was scary, but once you got up there for a while, it felt kind of like home.
Like home, huh?
Yeah, like once I sat up there for a while, I was like, you know what, this isn't that bad. I'll be all right.
Screw it in metal. Hey, all right, so here's the deal. Come down here to this one. Right? And then me and your mom will get more metal up on the roof. You got it?
Yeah.
I'd be out there with you, but I'm about 100 pounds too heavy. I'm going to get the other end, though, over there by the shipping container. All right, you got it? So you've been essential to this, ain't you? What have you been doing? Screwing on the roof? All right, what are you going to do today?
About to go up there and finish screwing, and that's it.
Finish screwing the roof. Once you've got all the roof panels screwed down, we're done, right? Well, until you go up and plug the holes and wash it, and then we paint it all green. Cool. Awesome. Kind of have to apologize. Normally when we do these videos, we've got the camera doing the whole thing. We were busy, so we didn't film a lot of what we were working on. But put the hay there, done some temporary hog panel fencing just to get some corrals. We're going to put some dog panels up here, and some of that's temporary because we got babies coming. Man, we finished just the right time. It's windy, and my roof's not blowing off, right? Knock on wood or whatnot. So we've got 3, like I said, this tin, we're going to put cement here, some floor drains. This is going to be a milking room. And then we're going to run some timeless fence, big rectangle, down there to about to the gate, so 50, 75 feet. And so we got 10 by 20, 10 by 10 under cover, 10 by 10 not. Got to get some dog houses and stuff in there. Maybe a little bit of gravel, some goodies, a little bit of gravel, some wood chips, whatnot. It's not perfect, but we're really not done. We got a bunch of pregnant goats and a bunch of little bitty baby goats, and my wife wanted them under here. We got the hanging rabbit cage. I'm waiting on Billboard Tarps to price me a 12-foot long by 6-foot long billboard tarp with pipe sleeves. So we'll put a pipe through here and a pipe through here and let it naturally bend, and we'll have it in an angle so the rabbit poop can sort of slide down into a bucket. We got the water line, we got the water meter in. When we run the water line, I'm gonna put a frost free down here, but we're gonna mount this over here somewhere on a wall somewhere and put some PEX water line up to a toilet valve so we don't have to water. My wife said hanging this up high has made it harder to water, but it ain't but a couple inches higher than it was when it was sitting on sawhorses, but whatever. So next big project over here, gotta clean all this out. I've got some more 6x6s over there. We're gonna come out 10 feet, put a 6x6, come out, you know, 10 feet from this one, so 12 feet from the shipping container, put another one, and the same over there. Build a hayloft, but on the side over here, we're gonna put some stairs to get up there. And I've got a big 18 by 40 foot tarp that we're gonna lay down up there. And then we're gonna deck over the top of the shipping container. And then we're gonna put our beehives up there. Woo, tripping. We're gonna put our beehives up there. So this will be hayloft. That'll be deck. What are you two doing out? Are you checking on your new buddy? What do we got here? Hey, you can't. Oh, you are going to check on your new buddy. Freshborn. She's really wobbly. I don't think Mama's done. So I don't even know yet gender. And I don't know if it's going to be a twin, but I think it's going to be a single. What do you think, babe?